Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of unimaginable luxury and jaw-dropping price tags. Buckle up as we explore the 9 most expensive cars you didn't know existed. Vehicles so exclusive that not even the world's billionaires can easily get their hands on them. Before we jump into the list, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready for the ultimate car extravaganza. The Hispano Suiza Carmen Boulogne is a luxurious electric hypercar, representing a blend of heritage and cutting-edge technology. Priced at an eye-watering $1.65 million, the Carmen Boulogne is an evolution of the Carmen model, paying homage to the company's racing history. With a carbon fiber monocoque chassis and a dual-motor electric powertrain, it delivers a remarkable 1,114 horsepower, propelling the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.6 seconds. Limited to just 5 units, each meticulously handcrafted, this exclusive hypercar showcases Hispano Suiza's commitment to creating automotive masterpieces for the discerning few. The Delage D12 is a luxurious and high-performance hypercar, representing the resurrection of the renowned French automotive brand. With a sleek design and cutting-edge engineering, the D12 boasts a hybrid powertrain, featuring a 7.6-liter V12 engine coupled with an electric motor, producing a staggering 1,100 horsepower. This masterpiece accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Limited to 30 units, the Delage D12 comes with an exclusive price tag of around $2.3 million, making it an elite choice for those seeking unparalleled performance and rarity in the world of hypercars. The McLaren Solus is a limited edition supercar, epitomizing McLaren's commitment to performance and exclusivity. With only 15 units produced, the Solus is a rare gem in the automotive world. Priced at a staggering $3.8 million, this hypercar features a twin-turbocharged V8 engine, generating a breathtaking 824 horsepower. The sleek design, cutting-edge aerodynamics, and meticulous craftsmanship make the McLaren Solus a true collector's item for enthusiasts seeking unparalleled performance and rarity. Its price tag reflects not only the engineering prowess of McLaren, but also the privilege of owning one of the most exclusive vehicles on the planet. The Lamborghini Sián Roadster is an electrifying marvel that combines Lamborghini's iconic design with cutting-edge technology. Priced at a staggering $3.6 million, this hybrid supercar boasts a naturally aspirated V12 engine and a 48-volt electric motor, producing a total power output of 819 horsepower. With a top speed exceeding 217 miles per hour and a 0 to 60 time of under 2.8 seconds, the Sián Roadster is not just a status symbol. It's a high-performance masterpiece. Limited to only 19 units, its exclusivity is matched by its breathtaking design, making it a rare gem in the realm of hypercars. The Bugatti Chiron, a masterpiece of automotive engineering, is a hypercar that continues to redefine the limits of speed and luxury. Priced at a breathtaking $3 million, the Chiron is powered by an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine that produces an astounding 1,500 horsepower. With a top speed electronically limited to 261 miles per hour, it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. The Chiron seamlessly combines performance and opulence, featuring a distinctive design, exquisite craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology. Limited to a production run of 500 units, each Bugatti Chiron is a symbol of automotive exclusivity. Introducing the SP Automotive Chaos, a Greek luxury car that blends performance and style seamlessly. The Chaos is a sports coupe designed to make a bold statement on the road. Powered by a robust engine, its dynamic capabilities are matched by its avant-garde aesthetics, featuring sleek lines and distinctive detailing. While specific pricing may vary based on customizations, the base model of the SP Automotive Chaos starts at around €150,000. With precision engineering and a touch of Greek flair, the Chaos promises an exhilarating driving experience, making it a sought-after choice for automotive enthusiasts seeking exclusivity and performance. The Bugatti Love Watcher Noir is a luxurious timepiece that exemplifies precision and style. Crafted by the renowned French automotive brand Bugatti, this limited edition watch features a striking black design with a sleek and modern aesthetic. The case is made of black and titanium, and the dial is adorned with intricate details, including the iconic Bugatti logo. The Bugatti Love Watcher Noir is a symbol of exclusivity, with only 110 units available worldwide. With a price tag of $278,000, this masterpiece not only captures the essence of Bugatti's automotive excellence, but also serves as a statement of opulence and sophistication. The Rolls-Royce Boat Tail is an exquisite and ultra-luxurious coachboat creation, redefining opulence in the automotive world. Limited to just 3 units, each boat tail is a bespoke masterpiece, meticulously crafted to the owner's specifications. With a design inspired by classic nautical themes, the rear deck opens to reveal a picnic set, a true testament to Rolls-Royce's commitment to personalized luxury. Priced at a jaw-dropping $28 million, the Boat Tail is not just a car. It's a symbol of exclusivity and extravagance, showcasing the pinnacle of craftsmanship and engineering prowess in the world of luxury automobiles. The Ferrari 250 GTO is an automotive legend, considered one of the most coveted and valuable classic cars in the world. Produced between 1962 and 1964, only 39 units were ever built. Famed for its sleek design, powerful V12 engine, and racing pedigree, the 250 GTO dominated the tracks of its time. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, prices for the Ferrari 250 GTO have skyrocketed, with individual units fetching tens of millions of dollars at auctions. In fact, in 2018, a 1963 model set a record, selling for a staggering $70 million, making it the most expensive car ever sold publicly. There you have it, folks, the 9 most expensive cars you didn't know existed. Cars so exclusive that even billionaires might find it challenging to add them to their collections. Which one of these remarkable machines would you love to see in your garage? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. Until next time, stay tuned for more.